Hey guys, in this quick sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make accent pillows or throw pillows out of placemats, and it's really super quick and easy, and it's a really good idea because it's an inexpensive way to do this and to change up the look of any room, a living room, bedroom, whatever it is. And I got these at TJ Maxx for $14.99. There are 4 placemats in here, meaning I'm going to make 2 gorgeous home decor pillows. All right, let's go. Let's make it. The first thing I'm doing here is deciding the front and back of my pillow. Do I want both front and back gingham or the back solid blue? Whatever, totally up to me. So I decided to make the back blue because this is a really nice quilting design. Anyway, I think these were at TJ Maxx because the tag was mistakenly sewn to the front. So I'm going to use a seam ripper to remove the tag, and then when I'm sewing the pillow together, I'm going to re-sew that seam so the binding doesn't come off. Next, I'm going to use my clips to clip these placemats together. And I'm going to remember that I have to close off that binding that I just removed the seam off of. Now that I'm all clipped together and ready to sew, I'm going to leave an opening up on top here, enough for my hand to fit in to stuff. And I'm going to remember, I'm going to sew right on that sewing line right there. That's my guideline, super easy. So I'm going to go all the way around, slowly getting all the curves, and I'm going to backstitch on the ends of the opening. And remember, leave an opening for stuffing. So I am sewing at about a 3 stitch length. And what I'm going to do here is use a straight pin to know that that's where I end. So I'm going to show you 2 ways of how to make these pillows. The second way I decided is to actually leave a flange on the pillow so it'll be much cuter. So instead I'm going to sew on this round circle sewing or stitching line here, and I'm going to leave an opening on top. So basically when you're making these placemat pillows, you can really do anything you want. You can follow any embroidered line. It's totally up to you. I really think this style is going to be much cuter, so here I go. So there's 2 styles here. This one you're going to get sort of like a flower style pillow all around, no flange really. And then this one here is, I must say, much cuter. So what I'm going to do is actually, check it out. I love the flange. I'm actually going to take apart the other one and make them both with the flange because this is just adorable. Really like the tag, shabby chic. Anyway, I am reusing some stuffing from this pillow here, and I'm going to stuff up the pillow. I know, the funnest part. Now that it's stuffed, I'm going to close off this opening, backstitching on the ends of this sewing line. I'm going to just continue that same line I was on. Guys, seriously, look at how cute these came out. I can't even take them. They're so adorable. Oh my God. Anyway, I made these for my friend, so let's go to her house and put them in her living room and see exactly how they look. Absolutely adorable 10-minute decor pillows. Anyway, if you love tutorials like this for home decor items, definitely check out the other videos right up here on the screen. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.